One way to determine that one-to-one relationship is a thing called the vertical line test. You guys should be writing this down, vertical line test. So the vertical line test is this. It crosses only once. Only one time if a function. So I can draw a vertical line through something, and if it only crosses one time. So if I draw a vertical line like this, how many times does it cross? One time. If I draw a vertical line here, how many times does it cross? Only one time. So this is what we call a function. Now what happens if I draw a vertical line here? How many times does it cross? Throughout the whole thing. It crosses everywhere. This is not a function. What about here? If I draw a vertical line here, it crosses 1, 2, 3 times. This is not a function. It's a mathematical relationship, but it is not a function. And again, if I draw a vertical line here, I'm going to cross 2 times here. This is not a function. Okay? And that's another way to